out and I'm just about to do a very simple night out makeup. So I'm going to use this Huda Beauty foundation 220N. So I'm going to use this color, and then I'm just going to see how it would just going to look on my face. I'm going to have my headband. So I'm just going to apply it with a brush, if I just find my brush. So I just found my brush. Ooh. Love it. So basically I'm just starting with the center of my face, just like this. Wow, coverage is insane. Well, I know that it looks like a lighter color than my skin color, but basically, as you can see, my neck, I'm not really that darker skin. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of a kind of with a damp sponge, and I'm going to neutralize in it on my face. So here is my sponge. And then what I'm actually going to do I know that Huda Beauty foundations are perfect and they're not really oily. Like if you just find, you may find quite a lot of luxury products that they're really oily, and you may find a lot of drugstore products that they might be also oily. But what I'm doing is that I'm just it's going to be much better if you just do it with a dry tissue, but I'm just using the kind of damp tissue. It's just because I want to make sure that the foundation looks a little bit shiny as well on my skin. I know that everyone's looking for a really matte final look on their faces and the skin, but I just want to get a little bit of oil out if there's any oil in there, so to just make it kind of moisturize. Just cleaning my lips with the same tissue because I look like a ghost. Alright, now I'm going to do the warmth of the face through the process, and what I'm going to do is to use this Too Faced Diamond Fire highlighter. I might have used the contouring, but I just don't want to give any contouring to my face. I'm just going to give this sort of warmth to my face with this Too Faced Diamond Fire. I feel like if there's something in my eye. I can just hear my friend right now. She's in the bathroom. I better not say these things while I'm filming because it might just look really unprofessional, not professional to say these things in the video, but it's alright. Okay, just going to give the warmth. There she is. So I think my friend's brush has already got some sort of blushing on her brush, which is making it more pinkish rather than making it bronze. But this fire bronzer by Too Faced is more like bronzing. And this is the tissue. I just cleaned her blushing brush and it's completely pink. So wow. Okay, so I'm just going to blend this part a bit more with a clean brush and using a bit more of my bronzer. I'm just using it slightly on top of on my temples. I'm just using it on my temples. And all right. This is how I wanted to do the warmth to my face without any contouring. So I didn't do any contouring. I just used the same highlighter, Too Faced Diamond Fire highlighter on my cheeks, and I just you know, I ran the brush on my temples just like this. Okay, there we go. And then because I do have a slightly wide forehead, I'm going to use a little bit over there. It might give a little bit of shininess. It's going to make it slightly shiny, but it doesn't matter. I'm all right with it. I know that it's going to like make it slightly just bigger, but it's fine. I've got some sort of mattifying. I can just use those mattifying bronzers as well. And then I want to have slightly matte red lipsticks on my lips. So I'm going to show you how I'm just making my lipstick matte. So now I'm going to use this Revlon red lipstick. It is number 725. Anyway, I know that you need to do the lip liner first and then the lipstick, but usually I just do the lipstick first and then the lip liner. I just feel like that is going to neutralize the line around my lips, so that's why I do that. Now, I've got clean tissue in my hand. I just put it right on my lips. And then I press it so you can just see the oils from my lips, which is normal. We all know that. But what I'm going to do to just make it more matte, looking matte, and take the shiny looking and glitter looking, not glittery, but just shiny looking and oily looking from the lipstick away, I'm going to do this. So same brush, I used it for my highlighter. And I'm going to use a little bit of Huda Beauty bake powder, but I'm not going to use a lot because I just want to make it slightly natural looking. So just take a little bit of that in here. So I just do the same. Put the tissue, but from the other side of the tissue, because the other side looks already oily. So I put it on my lips. So as you can see, the lipstick's no longer shiny. It made it quite matte looking. Alright, so this is the final look. I just had this kind of eyeliner. I don't really know if it looks equal or not, but I just did it within only 15 minutes, not more. So just have a look. If you just feel like that it's not really looking equal, then put a comment for me and tell me. And please forgive me, I'm not a really professional makeup artist.